Hello. In this video, we're going to do something super exciting. We've been working on this project so hard. We have developed many different features, right? So it's time to have some big time by making this application online to everyone. For doing that, I've decided to use Vercel because it is a super easy to use, beginner friendly, and it is very suitable for first time deployment like this. So let's go to the website Vercel. It's gonna look like that when you first time come to this Vercel page. For me, I already have signed up and then connected to GitHub. So as soon as you log in using GitHub, then it's gonna redirect to dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can add a new project and then choose the repository that you want to deploy. In my case, WB is the repository for my website to build a project. So I'll be importing. Then I need to choose the Vercel theme. In my case, I have only one with the hobby plan. I'm gonna change the project name to website-builder. We are using the Next.js application, so it's good. And then our root directory have Next.js application, so we can leave it as that. Build and output settings, for now, I'm not gonna change anything. Environment variables, I need to add a lot of stuff. We have .env file that has 4 different environment variables. For now, I'm just gonna copy paste everything and then paste to 2 here. Yeah, these 2 need to be replaced, okay? Because these 2 are for local machine, right? So it's gonna fail, and then we need to do certain fixes just to know that whatever the error happens, those are expected. Okay, so deploy. Yeah, then you're gonna see the build the logs and everything. Meantime, what I want to do is I'm gonna go back to my dashboard, and then when you refresh it, you start to see whatever you're building at the moment. Okay, so you can go to deployments and then check the build. It's a work in progress, right? So, but what I wanted to do here is I want to create my database that is available online. Okay, so I'm gonna create database. For me, I'll be using Neon because Neon provides pretty good free plans. So I'm gonna choose this and then continue and then choose the region. In my case, I am going to choose Portland because it is closest to location. So I'll be choosing that. And then I'll be choosing the free plan right here. It provides enough for me to run my web application at the moment. So I'll be just continuing this way. The name will be website builder. The rest is just confirming the information you chose, right? For me, I'm happy with those, so I will create it. It's going to be pretty quick. It's gonna process it. Already done, right? Then it's gonna redirect you to the Neon page that has all the environment variable for you. What I need is this database URL. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this and then paste it to my maybe comment localhost 1 and then paste the production version. Okay, yeah, so looking good. Yeah, it's a breaking. Now it's time to shut it down. The production database is set up, so which is good. Let's go back to our website to builder and then check deployments. Yeah, we have faced some error. Let's check the log, right? When you see the error, please don't get stressed. Without error, if your application fails, it's an even bigger problem because you don't know how to fix it. Most of the time, the error log will tell you what has to be done. If you go here, it says this leads to an outdated Prisma client because Prisma's auto generation isn't triggered. To fix this, you see it gives us solution, right? To fix this, make sure to run Prisma generate command during the building process. Okay, awesome. We're gonna just copy this. It's a very easy fix in this case. Go to website to builder or just go back to this page and then click website to builder and then go to settings. Then you should be able to update the build command here. When you do build a command, which is next to build, I want to run Prisma generate first and run next to build. Okay, so save it. Yeah, so settings are successfully done, and then we're gonna redeploy. Okay, so if you just click drop down here, you can redeploy, and then just to redeploy, then it's gonna run again. So let's go to website to builder page again. Then you're gonna see another deployment is happening. So looking good. I believe after this everything will be built successfully, but we're gonna have some problem because we have not updated environment variable yet. Now it's building, right? Unless I face some type error, it should be good. Normally, when you deploy, what people do is build it on your local machine first. Everything is successful on your local machine, then you less likely have a problem in the production build. Yeah, it's looking good. So everything is built, and then it should be deployed now. Deploying outputs, right? So it's good. Then once you deploy it, you're gonna get additional domain. This is the one that I want to use. So I'm gonna copy link address and then paste it to here. Okay. So I have one for local and one for deployed environment variable. So now it's time to update those two, right? So let's go to our, yeah, but by the way, if you want to test, you can test it first, but we're going to face problem because we have not done the environment variable properly. So launch, yeah, you see, it says application error, server-side exception has occurred while loading website to builder, blah, blah, blah. See the server logs and more information. We can do what it's asking. Let's go. So here, if we go to the logs, then you should be able to find what is happening, right? So take a look. Invalid Prisma project find menu. It is very, very expected. Now, to solve this issue, we're going to the settings, go to environment variables, and then update these two. Database URL, we are using localhost. Base URL is also localhost. We're gonna edit it. We already copied in our local file, right? So I'm gonna just update it with the production one, right? Save. And then this base URL also needs to be updated. So I'm gonna update it, this guy. Let's update, edit. Yeah, looking good. Hit save. Then we're gonna redeploy. Couple of times redeploy, but it is expected. After this, I think highly likely everything should be good, but let's check. If you're bored, then you can just expand the build log and then try to read out, right? Interesting. Running build in Washington. I thought I set up the region to Portland. I don't know. Maybe I can go to check where it's building. I'm gonna go to settings and the functions. If you expand the advanced settings, then you should be able to see the function region. We are in the North America. You see, we're running in Washington, right? My location is close to Portland. I'm gonna save it for now. It's recommending to redeploy so that it's going to be faster. Let's try redeploy. Then there will be another deployment. Let's check. You see this one is currently queued, right? Let's just check this one first. I think everything should be good. Yeah, it's deploying now. I believe this one will be slower because location is Washington, D.C. We can check, right? So launch. Sorry, I think I missed the one additional thing. Our production database does not have anything right now. What it means, we need to deploy these all migrations. Let's do that. So npx prisma migrate deploy. Then when you refresh, it'll be fine. While we were querying, we didn't have a project table to retrieve the data. Then we can just try to get one test project. You can say my first project. Yeah, it's just slower. I can see that. Let me open up network tab, create my first project. It's sending 200, but it's not redirecting. Interesting. Let me refresh. Maybe the production is done in the other page. That might be causing issue. Let's just shut down things that we don't want. What I will do is I'm gonna go to website to builder, choose the current one, and then going in. Create new project, test one. Yeah, now it's fine. As you can see, it's already created. If you click it here, yeah, it's fast enough, I will say. Yeah, you can change the theme if you like, but you need to save it. And then you can add the text section, and then add some text image. Image is quite slow. And then add some galleries. image is super slow based on what I see. And then we can go to pages and then create some videos just for the testing. Let's go to the YouTube. We can copy some link address. Let's go back to website to builder and then paste it here. Yeah, it shows up pretty good. I can edit if I want to, right? I can play, right? And then I can preview the page, right? Yeah, looking good. Then I can publish as well. Publish, and then using this one, let's open up new tab, right? So as you can see, I opened up another tab. This one is, fully public, right? So you can open up incognito if you like. Let's try new incognito so that we are not authenticated, right? So let's try that. I'm going to copy this URL and then paste right here. Yeah, anybody can access it, right? So looking good. And then if I unpublish it, then this guy, once I refresh, 404, looking good. So this one shut down. And then this one, the same thing, when I refresh it, 404, looking good. Yeah, let's publish it just for fun. Yeah, so everything is looking beautiful, I would say. Back to edit. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I think this will do the job. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye now.